Hi, so today I'm at the iconic Antigua Charter Yacht Show and I am stepping aboard one of the most talked about yachts of this week. So it's the stunning Captain Morgan. So it's a 131-foot Sunseeker, 10 guests in 5 cabins, and this will charter from around €175,000 per week, plus expenses. So if you've been dreaming of turquoise seas, luxury vibes, and that perfect balance between adventure and indulgence, this one is for you. So it's had an extensive refit since the spring when it was purchased, a $2 million refit. So it's basically a brand new boat, interiors, exteriors, and even mechanically. So the moment I step onto Captain Morgan's aft deck, it is amazing. It's an ultra chic lounge setup that's basically telling me to sip a cocktail and relax. Actually, when I came on board here, the captain was having a drink and I can really see why. So the teak here is flawless. The cushions are comfy and I could sit there forever. So walking inside the main salon, I cannot wait to show you. So it's bright, it's airy, and it's finished in neutral tones, but with classy greys also. So it's got huge panoramic windows which flood the room with light. It is giving luxury beach house meets modern yacht. I'll be honest, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. The decor is absolutely stunning. So let me take you to the spacious dining area too. So this is perfect for those candlelit dinners after a day of island hopping. So this area was simplified in the refit. And to be honest, less is more. They've cleaned it up and just made it so beautifully elegant. The table, as you can see, is dressed beautifully. It perfectly captures that Malibu, California beach vibe. Highlighted also by some really personal touches like this new mermaid artwork. So I'm going to do a bit of a cabin tour now. Now this is where comfort meets class. So the accommodations on Captain Morgan are so well done. So as we step into the master suite, oh my goodness, Sunseeker nailed it with these windows, letting all of the light in. So it's full beam, king bed, and a bathroom that I can't wait to show you. It rivals a boutique hotel. Look at that. Full bath also. So the master suite has been refreshed with all new linens from top to bottom. So it's got all new white and blue colour scheme throughout, which is just simply unreal. So let me take you down to the 4 guest cabins. So these are all very similar in size. So basically everyone is a VIP here. Every detail in each of these cabins feels really thought out. So you've got the 2 there. Now these ones are really clever. So you've got the twin beds in this one with a Pullman, but just to make it even more useful, you've got a split king bed in this one and a Pullman, which can convert to a twin if needed. So every cabin is absolutely perfect. It's got that sleek, polished finish that makes you immediately feel amazing. So let me take you all the way up. Now this bit is where Captain Morgan shines. So the Sky Lounge with all brand new AVIT. As you can imagine, this space will get used a lot. Imagine the movie afternoons, you've got easy access to the bar. This is where the crew is going to mix you some delicious cocktails. Rum ones, I expect. Fitting for a yacht named Captain Morgan, right? This games table was really cool. It already belonged to the owner, so they took it and made it better, encasing it to fit with the yacht's aesthetic. It's got such amazing detail, so check out this custom-made Christian Dior surfboard. It's acting as art, and it's just so perfect for the look up here. So the Sky Lounge deck has been reimagined as well. So I'm going to take you through, which I think is the best area of the boat. This seating area here, it's as perfect for cocktails as it is coffee. It previously has fixed furniture, but this furniture is loose. So it can be reconfigured in any way you wish, and is also, as you can see, shaded from the sun. This alfresco dining area is beautiful. So there's alfresco dining on both decks. So imagine breakfast with a Caribbean sunrise. Honestly, this transformation is remarkable from every angle. So let me take you up to the sun deck, which is huge. So you've got the hot tub and the panoramic seating. This sun deck is completely transformed. So the previous round sunbed has been removed to make way for new elegant furniture that creates more flexible, sunning and shaded areas, making the space far more guest and charter friendly. So more areas for alfresco dining. Now the bar, so all the surfaces are brand new. So when I say they literally left no stone unturned in this recent refit, I meant it. So all appliances here were also replaced. See what I mean? It literally could be a brand new boat. Also, little details like the custom built windows here for protection from the wind in the Bahamas at anchor. I mean, you don't want to be sat eating and have your salad blown into your lap, do you? Okay, let me take you down to the front of the boat. So this is where you can catch some serious sun. Beautifully positioned sun pad and seating area. So there's so many spectacular places to be cruising into. There's no better place to view it from than right here. Last but not least, I'm going to take you down to the swim platform. So this swim platform is perfect for driving straight into those crystal clear waters. So you know I live for a good toy garage, and Captain Morgan does not disappoint. So it's got jet ski, seaboards, paddleboards, snorkeling gear, turbo inflatables, and also a super sleek 34 Intrepid centre console for island exploring. I'm telling you, boredom is not an option on this boat. So is Captain Morgan worth the hype at the Antigua Charter Yacht Show? 100% yes. She's elegant without being intimidating. She's perfectly laid out for charter groups, and she brings that fun energy while still delivering full luxury. So if you're planning your next yacht charter, keep this one on your radar, trust me.